Hello students. So I have recorded this video to demonstrate few Jenkins jobs. Like in practical, we have already started with the Java jobs and the Python jobs. So here we will be trying our hands on the Maven job and explicit Python job. So I'm going to demonstrate how to create an implicit and explicit Python job in Jenkins. So here in Jenkins dashboard, you have to click on new item. You have to start creating a freestyle project, which is a Python project. So you may give the name as the Python job, which we have already seen in the lab. Okay. So the name with this job already exists. So you just have to select a freestyle project and click on OK. So since I've already got the Python job with me, so I'll just go to its configuration to show you how Python job can be created and executed in Jenkins. Here is my Python job. So in the configuration section, you will find few basic steps that will help us to create the Python job. So we'll have to go into the build steps. Okay, so you can find the add build step button here. You have to click on execute Windows patch command. So once you do so, you will get a text box here where you can write the command to execute your Python job. So these commands are same as that of how you do in the CMD form. So like my Python job, I have created a program to calculate the factorial of a number. So I'll just first show you how to execute that job staying in CMD, and then the same job how you can execute on the Jenkins. So here I have got this Python job with me. So I'll just quickly execute that. So the job is very simple. It's just for now calculate the factorial of 5. So you can change the code to accept the user input also, but with that it need to also you need to also import certain Windows packages. So for simplicity purpose, how to just execute a Python job, I just wrote a factorial program to calculate the factorial of a this hard-coded number. Okay. So now since we have seen the job has executed in the Windows, now to execute the same job in Jenkins using Windows patch command, we need to first provide the path where the job is. So first starting with the drive letter, then moving into the actual location where the path where the program is, and then writing the command to execute. So if you have observed that the program is in d/ds and where I have stored the script, Python script. So once you are done with that, just click on apply and say build now. So after clicking on build now, you would find the build result, the build history. Just click on console output and you will find the same output as that of your CMD form. So you can just observe and see the output, whether it is showing you the same. Okay. So this is called as explicit way of running the Python job, since you have invoked the Python script and you have executed it using the command. So you can also configure your Python job in such a way it will execute the script within the job itself without giving the path and without calling the external file. Here in the add a build step, you have a execute Python script option. So after clicking on that, what you can do is just copy and paste your entire Python code. So I'll just copy and paste my entire Python code here and execute it implicitly and say apply. So for now, I'll just omit everything in the environment variable part, like here in the Windows batch command. I'll just say apply and save. And again, after clicking on build now, you can see the same result has been displayed. Okay, but this time it is using the implicit way of running the Python job. So we have not specified any path where our file is. We have just specified the script so it gets executed directly. You can again once again have a look at how the script can be internally run within the Jenkins. So instead of taking execute Windows batch command, you can go with the execute Python script and write the entire Python script code here. Now before executing this, you shall have to install the plugin related to Python. So you have to go to manage Jenkins, then you have to go in plugin section, and then you have to ensure that the plugins related to Python is there already installed, or if it is not there, you have to go over the available plugin, find the Python plugin and install. So this is how you run the Python job.